Dogelon Mars is down 17% in this 24-hour. We are dropping hard. We have the big crash from the beginning of the day. Everything is red right now. The chart is whole red. As you can see, we are on the lowest points right now. This is the 17% down on the point 501. We are close to losing and getting one more zero, but we have the big thing over here. It's the 91% boost. This is just explaining, and isn't it just explaining how unpredictable crypto market is? Because I can tell you, yesterday the volume was low. We have the opposite thing. The volume was low, but the price was pushing the few percent up. It was the good thing, and the price was pushing, but right now it's the complete opposite. That's the crypto market overall. Our Twitter followers increase in size, so does the number of galactic citizens who hold the currency of the future, and so to grow the future population of Mars, we are on the 500,000 people more, 20,000 more. So you can see how many of the people they gained in just one day. 20,000 people behind Dogelon Mars pushing it and gaining more and more holders. One of the articles that I love to watch is Investors Observe, and I always watch what are they telling, because they are like a constellation for the day traders. What do the short-term technical predict for Dogelon Mars right now? Let's see what are they saying. A strong short-term technical score of 87 from its analysis. The properties scoring system considers token trading history over the past month to determine the strength of the short-term technical. Elon has currently traded better than 87%. We are like pushing it really nicely above the 30 days low, as we can see, and below the 30-day high of this price over here. So actually, summary of this article: Dogelon Mars trading over the past 30 days leads to its strong short-term technical score due to the recent price movement, stretching more bullish signals from traders on the token near future. So they are actually aiming for the big thing right now, and we are expecting it to push really hard really soon. So let's see one more great thing behind everything. Out of all the 420 comments, Coinbase only responded to the question about Dogelon Mars. We can see it over here, and this is that Twitter respond. Currently Dogelon Mars is available for tracking on coinbase.com. We know that we may view it here. We apologize, we cannot give out details of what the asset will or will not be listed on Coinbase, and in the meantime you may trade Dogelon Mars using Coinbase wallet. So it's accepted on Coinbase wallet. You can trade it live. To read more about where and how to purchase Dogelon, you have the link. So they left the link in there. They're connected with Dogelon Mars. Like you can see that they're interested in Dogelon Mars, and probably will have the listing of Dogelon Mars on that. So this is the technical indicator, and we are actually watching one more thing with the charts. This is the chart that I love to draw on and explain you what is happening right now. We need to find the trend line, and it's literally pretty easy seen. You can see it over here. This is the low trend line that you can see. This is the long term. You can push it even over here, and you can perfectly see what is happening with Dogelon Mars right now. This is of course the uppercase, and we are closing it a little bit down right now. If you maybe push it from this point to this point over here, you can push this even lower and get the angular, something of the angular thing. As you can see, we are now between these two ranges, and now maybe is the best time for price to push and to go higher. That's expected, and as you can see with this over here, the oscillators are telling buy. Even though everything else is red, they are thinking the price will push.